This is a warning. Everything just changed with this chart right here, and this could impact the next 10 years for Bitcoin. This could be a seismic shift. Take a look at this chart right here. This trend line has been broken for the first time in over 13 years. We will look back on this candle that just broke this trend line years and years and years from now, and we will realize this was the start of it all. Everything is about to change for Bitcoin, and I'm going to tell you what I think happens next and what should you do with this information. Let's get into it. Recently, many of you have been randomly unsubscribed from my channel, and missing just one video in a market like this can cost you big time. So stop what you're doing, look down, and make sure you are subscribed. So here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we are on the 6-month chart, meaning each candle represents 6 months of price action. What you notice is that we have this yellow line drawn on our chart. What you'll notice is that it starts its journey back in January of 2011 when we acted as resistance. In other words, Bitcoin was very new. Bitcoin rose up very significantly, very quickly, and was met with resistance at exactly the start of this trend line. It followed it up for the next 6 months, also seeing resistance from this exact trend line, and finally breaking through in 2013, only to hold it as support later in 2013 and create its big, strong candle to the upside. Now, I want to lay a huge clue on you. You see how far this candle is above this yellow line? Yes, we went that far above, not just for this all-time high in 2013, we went about the same percentage high back here in 2017. In other words, when you take a measured move from this trend line up to the top of the candle, you can see a percentage gain. When you do the same thing from here up until here, it's around the same percentage gain. Another way to do it is to go from the top of this candle down to this level right here, roughly in the 90s, and we were in the 90s for both. In other words, for the top of the market in 2013 and the top of the market in 2017, we fell all the way down to this trend line here, but both of those candles were roughly 90-ish% from our trend line. So it was a very healthy market. We rallied up in 2013, we came back down, and we held support with these two candles from Jan 2015 and July 2015. And look at those wicks protecting this area that years ago was our resistance back in 2011. So right there are the two most important candles to start this trend line back in 2015, confirming support at what used to be our resistance. And from there, it was one of the most prolific bull runs we had ever had. This was the definition of a classic bull run, and it happened with these two historic candles here. So we rallied all the way up, only to be 90-ish something percent above this trend line, and only to crash back down, holding some support. We had a huge wick here back in 2020, bouncing off of here with a large wick is another important candle, because that sent us even further up, but only was roughly 90-ish% once again from this trend line. So each of the 3 market cycle tops for 12 years in a row were roughly 90-ish% from this trend line, from the top of the candle down to the trend line, roughly 90-ish%. And everything changed in this recent cycle. And this is why this is the beginning of something monumental. This is the beginning of something catastrophic that's going to happen to Bitcoin. I believe we're going to look back at this candle years from now and realize this was absolutely critical and widely overlooked. Now, I don't know if anybody else is going to be talking about this, but everything just changed for Bitcoin. What do I mean by that? Well, this time when we had our all-time high, we were not 90-ish something from that top of the candle to the bottom. I mean, we were only half of that, okay? In other words, we didn't rally as high And this is the start. This cycle that we just completed is the telltale sign that something big is going to happen next cycle and potentially the cycle after that. It could be devastating. It could be major. If you're watching this video in 2027 or 2028 or 2030 or 2035, you're going to come back and we're going to look at this candle and we're going to talk about how significant it was, because I believe everything just changed. We just broke this trend line for the first time in 13 years. In 13 years. That's almost the entire history of Bitcoin. We've been holding this trend line as support. And it's not like we haven't touched this trend line. We've touched it a lot. We've touched it at the bottom of the market in 2015 to confirm our support. We touched it in the COVID crash of 2020. We touched it at the bottom of the market in 2022 when everyone said, don't buy Bitcoin at 15, 16, 17,000. We even touched it in the beginning of the bull run in 2023. We even came down as support back in July of 2025. And this candle that just printed, this candle is hot off the press. This is the candle that could change everything, because we quite literally closed as resistance. Now, what's going to happen next? Anytime you have a multi-year trend line that's broken, one thing becomes true right away, and that's not up for debate. This is now our resistance. Okay, plain and simple. This is now our resistance. Now, what I want you to look at is what this looks like in our next market cycle top. You look at sort of, this end of 2029, the beginning of 2030. What price are we at during that period? In other words, what price is the trend line at during those periods? We're talking about over $500,000 Bitcoin. I already told you that's highly unlikely based on math. And if you don't like math and you just like to guess what the new all-time high will be, you be my guest. But those people who like facts and math, you're subscribed to this channel and you realize we may never get above this trend line ever again. This trend line that we were playing with for 13 years as support and a couple years as resistance. It's been in Bitcoin's story since 2011. We have 15 years of data with this trend line. This trend line has been our best friend for all 15 years. We might never touch this trend line again. Why? Because our next market cycle top is highly unlikely to be up to this trend line, and we just broke it. We're going to start a new phase for Bitcoin, and I believe that phase has just begun. Now you see every single cycle is getting weaker and weaker, meaning the rise in price from the bottom of our bear market to the top of the next market, that percentage gain every single cycle is getting weaker and weaker and weaker. And don't just take my word for it. Trust math, trust numbers. Just take the percentage gain from the bottom to the top and then go to the next cycle and it's a fraction of it. And then go to the next cycle and it's a fraction again, and go to the next cycle. Oh my God, it's a fraction again. What is going on? Well, Bitcoin is new, and Bitcoin's a new asset class that is going to go through its first real hiccup. The market is going to readjust. The market is going to reassess. The market is going to reset. We're going to build healthy market structure. And then that whole 15-year cycle will likely repeat after that devastation period is over. And the devastation period may last multiple cycles. And I believe we just saw the first domino to fall in that next multi-cycle bloodbath. Trade like a tourist or go with the pros. The FFA is where the real ones go. Link in description.